guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a specialty coffee for you. It's with a coffee espresso, and this is the coffee espresso here, and it has 3 parts to it. And I have my coffee here and the spoon to grab the sugar. Let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is we have to fill this up. So this is an espresso coffee maker, and this makes 3 cups for you. I'm going to be giving this away, and I bought this for $10, and I bought it at you could get it really at any meat market, Spanish market near you, and they should sell them. So I am going to be giving this one away. There will be a winner, so stay tuned. On how to win, it will be at the bottom of the YouTube channel. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to fill this up with water. The next thing you will do is fill this up with coffee, and then you're going to turn it. And then we're going to put it over the stove. This is an amazing coffee. Let me fill it up with water. Okay, so I filled, it's right under the line, because if you put it up to here, you have to put this in and all the water is going to overflow. So I'm actually going to dump a little bit more out. I think that's perfect. Okay, so this is how much water you should have. And we're gonna put this on top. Now and then you're going to turn it. And then we're gonna put it over the stove. This is an amazing coffee. Let me fill it up with water. Okay. So I filled, it's right under the line, because if you put it up to here, you have to put this in and all the water is going to overflow. Okay, so this is how much water you should have. And we're going to put this on top. Now I'm going to be using Folgers coffee, and I'll show you which one I'm using. You can use whichever one you want, but I really like this one. This is Folgers Special Roast Medium, and so I just dumped all that in here. Okay, so this is about a tablespoon. Take any excess off, and this is gonna fit perfectly into here. So, all right, so that's all the coffee you'll need. I mean, if this, I only drink a little bit of coffee, like probably less than 4 ml, so this is enough for me. Once you put the coffee, we're gonna put cinnamon on top. Yes, ground cinnamon. And ground cloves. Just a few finger taps. Smells already so good in the kitchen. Let's see if I can do it this way. And this is white pepper. That's right, white pepper. I know it's strange, but trust me, everyone that comes over, I'm telling you, this coffee is a hit. They're always asking, like, oh my God, can I have a coffee? And I'm like, Jesus, like, everyone really loves this coffee. So, all right, so now we're gonna close this. We have the water, we have the coffee, we have the cinnamon, we have the ground cloves, and we have the white pepper. So once you put this, I put it on medium on top of the electric stove. And so what happens is, with the water being down here, the coffee being in the middle, everything pours out into here. You can see that there's like these two holes right here. That's where the coffee is gonna spill out into here for you. So make sure you watch it, and make sure not to put the handle like right like this, put it right on the electric burner. So you gotta have it like more to the right so that this part does not get hot. So all right guys, so we're gonna let that boil, and I'll be back in it'll probably take maybe about 3 minutes, the max maybe 4. And while that's gonna be boiling, I'm gonna get started with my sugar. So I'm gonna use, this is about a teaspoon. So I like my coffee sweet. So this is 1, 2, 2.5. All right, so I put 2.5 sugars. If you like sweet coffee, make it the way that I did it. The next ingredient will be Cool Whip. And Cool Whip, why? Because it just makes the drink creamier. Like, it's amazing. So I'm gonna be using Cool Whip. And you could definitely substitute that. You don't have to have the Cool Whip, but I really like the Cool Whip. You will know when your coffee is ready because you're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear like it's boiling, it's making this rumbling noise, and you could lift the top just a little bit just to see. It's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna explode in your face. So just the top little, here, let me show you. There's the other one, so there. So again, this is what somebody will be winning. Mine's looks older now since I have been using it, but it's the same size as the one that I have. So when this is boiling, you're gonna tell because it will be rumbling. So you could be more than happy to just lift it up carefully with this, and you're gonna see, you could just maybe to that angle, and you're gonna see the coffee is ready. This is also known as a cafetera in Spanish. So I'm telling you, like, this is amazing coffee. So make sure you guys stay tuned on how to win this, because you guys could be the winner. Anyone could really, there will be a winner announced, but it's going to be on my Instagram page. So make sure you follow my Instagram page, Julie's All in One, and the winner will be announced there. There we go. Voila. Now, this might get a little bit dirty, but coffee right there, yay! And gonna leave some for the other person because I don't drink that much. And now we're gonna go in with the heavy cream. Or I'm sorry, half and half. All right, let's give that a mix. And a scoop of a dollop of Cool Whip. All right, guys, let me just give this a quick taste. Oh my God, it's so freaking good. It's it tastes like ice cream. It's really good. So I highly suggest for you to make this coffee for your loved one or for yourself, and let me know what they think, what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. And there will be a winner announced. It could be you, it could be your friend. Just stay tuned, because at the bottom I will put on how you could win this espresso coffee maker. Hope you guys have a good morning. Take care. See you soon. Make sure to subscribe.